Trigonometry, cot theta plus cot pi by theta plus cot and pi plus theta. So cot theta, cot pi by theta is the cot theta and term and cot theta. Answer sin x b, sin x sin pi by x plus sin 2 pi by x and plus 1 term. Sin pi by x is equal to minus sin x. Then sin 2 x plus x sin x minus sin x and plus 1 is equal to 0. Calculation measurement. Next class, please watch and realize this. Everybody progressive mind, civilization being. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. I must be grateful to your subscribe.